USB circa to HDMI adapter with USB-A hub, Gigabit Ethernet. Adds HDMI, USB-A, USB circa PD charging and Gigabit Ethernet ports to your tablet, laptop, or PC. Perfect USB Type-C converter, MacBook USB-C dock with Thunderbolt 3.0, USB Type-C to HDMI, docking station. Crystal clear 1080p video and digital audio. Play video from your laptop or PC on an HDMI display. Transmits DisplayPort signals from sources supporting USB DisplayPort Alt Mode. The USB-C converter offers a HDMI port which supports HD video resolutions up to 1920 by 1080, 1080p, at 60 Hz. Connect, charge, 1. 5A. Transfer data for USB devices. The USB-A port accepts USB peripherals, such as a flash drive, mouse, keyboard or printer. It supports fast USB 3.1 Gen 1 data transfer rates up to 5 gigabits per second. BC1. 2 compliant USB-A port provides up to 1.5A of fast charging power. Charge a connected device. Access wired Gigabit Ethernet network, powers and charges PD charging compliant devices, such as MacBooks and Chromebooks. The RJ45 port offers access to a Gigabit Ethernet network when no Wi-Fi is available. Top reviews from the United States. Works great with my Chromebook. I use this on my Chromebook since it only has one USB Type-C port, and the other USB port isn't 3.0. Ethernet and HDMI working fine at the same